My dear friends, this is Dr. Paneer Selvam on behalf of Groby Consultancy. Today, just I'd like to introduce a book which was written by me and HR. I think I already discussed in a few videos about this book, but I don't want to popularize the book for selling. I want to promote the book to take all recorded information which we have found in different places, in different corporates, in different sectors. ஒவ்வொரு இடத்துலையும் ஒவ்வொரு விதமான சூழ்நிலையில் ஒரே மாதிரியான எம்ப்ளாயிஸ் இருப்பது இல்லை. எம்ப்ளாயிஸுக்கு பிடித்தமான எம்ப்ளாயர் இருப்பது கிடையாது. ஒரு எம்ப்ளாயிஸை ரீடென்ஷன் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா there are many techniques. That will start from identification. ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் அவருக்கு சூட்டபிளான வேலையை கொடுக்கணும். அந்த மாதிரி வேலை இல்லைன்னா அதற்கான பயிற்சி கொடுக்கணும். அவர் எதிர்பார்க்கக்கூடிய ரெமுனரேஷன் இருக்கணும். அவர் பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் நல்லா பண்ணார் அப்படின்னா அதற்கான ரெக்கக்னேஷன் இருக்கணும். அந்த ரெக்கக்னேஷன் ஷுட் நாட் பி ஒன்லி இன் மானிட்டரி பட் ஆல்சோ நான் மானிட்டரி. ஸோ அந்த ரெக்ரூட்மெண்ட் ப்ராசஸ்லேருந்து ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்டேஜ்லேயும் ஒவ்வொரு ப்ராசஸ்லேயும் I think there are many activities will have to be performed. It is not, see, this book is out of 30-40 years practice, out of trial and errors. I don't say that there is a unique formula or standardized techniques. It has been evolved after several strategies of effort given by different experts, different corporate specialities, then corporate experts. So those people have done so much of exercise. What is the recruitment? How it will have to be effectively strategized? Once he is recruited, definitely their skills are varying from person to person and from individual to individual. How you will have to synchronize? How will you throw your role and responsibilities on their mind without assessing their kind of strength and weakness? What is a SWOT? What is a soul search analysis? But how will you keep your employees without attrition? See, it is very important because human capital is very, very vital, which everybody has to agree upon, whether it is going to be a service sector, a manufacturing sector, or a retailing sector, or hospitality, or hospital sector, wherever we are. We cannot mechanize everything. We need brain. So when it is going to be mechanized, we need IT person to command over it. So now I think this book will help you, because now I need you to read. Why? Because this is not an effort of an individual. It is a collective effort spent by thousands of people. So this is nothing but an experience which we have gained out of a lot of laboratory tests, lab examination. Then I think it was possible to see that how employee has to be groomed, and how it could be well shaped, and what are the different techniques to be evolved, what are the different failures. So all those information, I cannot exaggerate with imaginative stories or imagination. It's all true incidents. So I need to just go through the book, especially for not only for HR, even the people who are in the business, not only the business, the people who are in the human sector. What is human touch? மனித நேயம்னா என்ன? மனித நேயத்தை கொடுப்பதற்காக அந்த பணியாளருக்கு நமக்கு கொடுக்க வேண்டிய வெகுமானங்கள் மட்டுமல்ல, என்ன தகுதி சன்மானங்கள் உண்டு. ரெமுனரேஷனுக்கு மேலே நான் மானிட்டரி பெனிஃபிட்ஸ் தான் என்ன? அவர்கள் மட்டும் இல்லை, அவங்களோட அந்த எம்ப்ளாயினுடைய ஃபேமிலி இருக்குது, அவங்களுடைய பிலாங்கிங்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, லவ் ஒன்ஸ் இருக்காங்க. ஹவு த என்டையர் திங்ஸ் வில் ஹேவ் டு பி டேக்கன் கேர் ஆஃப். Not just revising or rising your money from say one level to other level, or like a small level to a peak level. No, it doesn't satisfy him. How will you make him to be so rich? And how will you make him to be not to be isolated? And how will you create a ownership of the organization in his brain, in his mind? So that all we talk about in this book. See an opportunity. I don't want again telling that I want to promote the ideas. What are the experiences we have boosted? What are the experiences we have cooked? All those details are in this book. Please, once you find time, it's available in Amazon. And sometime Amazon will give you different kind of initiatives or different kind of attractive discounts. And ebook is also available. Finally, what the message I want to leave it to you is just see that how the corporate has been growing, having this much of topmost priority of employees. Retention is a very small letters, but it carries plural because it carries a very plural, very lengthy meaning. So I request you to spend time on this to have this book to be purchased or referred or maybe like electronic copy, whatever it is. Just read through and again get your things. No, I don't see I'm perfect, but why I am telling that it is not a unique formula. It is a formula has been derived out of after laboratory test. So you see the result, whether it is a positive, accept it. If it is negative, okay, it's all their experience, something like that. So subscribe my to channel and give your views. I am open to accept your views and comments. Thank you very much.